Hello, I'm Kyle from Sigwo Technologies, and today I'm going to walk you through building your first decentralized application using Gravity. This video covers all the base steps, so if you would like to know more about a specific step, please have a look at our Gravity wiki page. Gravity is a decentralized application framework that comes with built-in data encryption, immutable record keeping, two-factor authentication, and can be used to create fully customized, decentralized applications in minutes. Some of the benefits of Gravity are lower costs compared to Ethereum and Waves, the ability to upload small documents, robust API for further development, and has built-in Bootstrap 4 theme for easy styling. Gravity source code is available on the Sigwo Technologies GitHub page, and a link to that page can be found on our website, sigwo.com. First of all, because I'm starting with a fresh copy of Linux, we need to install our development environment. To make that easier, we've created an installation script that will install all the packages, including Gravity itself. First of all, let's open up our terminal by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T. Once the terminal is open, we're going to have to install curl. To do that, just type in sudo apt get install curl. Hit enter. It'll ask you if you want to continue, just press yes. Once that's done, we can paste the script provided by the GitHub wiki page. To paste the script in terminal, just right-click and select paste. Now press enter. Once that is done, you can start up the Gravity app by typing in npm start. Hit enter, and that will load the website files for the Gravity application. Once you see app running on port 4000, we know we can go to the browser and visit the address localhost:4000. Now we can check out our Gravity application. You'll notice that there are a few things missing here. In the next section, I'm going to show you how to get that connected. Now that Gravity is up and running, let's connect it to the database and start customizing our app. But first, let's take a quick look at the app that we're building. We are going to build a website that will allow users to sign up, log into a dashboard, and record details about their car collection. To keep it simple, we will call our app Car. Our Car app will track the make, model, and vintage status of each car recorded. To get started, we need to use Gravity to generate an account for our app. To do that, let's go back over to our terminal and press Ctrl-C to stop the Gravity process. Next, we're going to type in npm run gravity:db:create and press enter. Next, it will ask you what is the app name. Here, we're just going to say car. Next, it will ask you for the encryption password. For this demo, I'm just going to use car password, but for your situation, I do suggest making it a bit more secure. Hit enter. The next question it will ask is the address for your Jupyter server. Here, we're going to type in https://jpr.sigwo.com and press enter. Now, once you've verified that everything looks the same on my screen here, hit enter once again to confirm. Once that's done, you should see a successful message saying that the Gravity and environment files have been generated. Next, we're going to need to open up that file and send some funds to the account listed. To do that, type in nano.env and press enter. Please note that the information in this file is sensitive and should be written down and kept safe. You may require it later on. Inside this file, we will find the section App Account Address. You need to send a minimum of 5 Jupiter coins to this address in order to start saving data on the blockchain. Once our account is funded, we can leave this screen by pressing Ctrl X. Now we can go ahead and fire up the Gravity application. To do that, just type npm start. Now go over to our browser, and when we refresh the page, you'll notice that these items are now connected. Now that we have the app connected to the database, let's add user registration. To do that, go back to our terminal, hit Ctrl-C to stop the Gravity process, and type in npm run gravity:db:add. It's going to ask you what the table name is. We're going to type in users. Hit enter. You should get a message that says the table users pushed to the blockchain and linked to your account. It will also tell you that it's been funded with Jupiter. Now users should be able to sign up for an account with our Gravity application. Next, we can make the My Garage page for our users to record their car collection. Inside terminal, we're going to run npm run gravity:app:scaffold and hit enter. That's going to ask you for the model name. Here we're going to type in car. Press enter. Next, it's going to ask you for the model attributes. The model attributes need to be in JSON format, so I'm going to show you exactly what it should look like for this demo, and then you can try different variations on your own later on. So for this one, we need the make, represented by a string, the model, also represented by a string, and the vintage, which will be represented by a Boolean. Once it's typed in there just like that, go ahead and hit enter. And the next question is, what will you name the page that will display your model's records? We're going to call this My Garage. Hit enter, and the next question it will say, will you use your model to record multiple records? Since we do want to record multiple pieces of information, we're going to say yes. Next, it will ask you if you want to upload a dashboard in the model's view. We're going to hit yes, and that will make sure that it will build all the website files and serve it to our dashboard. So once that's been created, we can go ahead and add our new page to the blockchain. To do that, let's type in npm run gravity:db:add and hit enter. When it asks you for the table name, because our model name is car, the table name will be called cars with an S. Press enter. And that will give you the notification saying that the table cars was pushed to the blockchain and linked to your account. It has also been funded with Jupiter coins. Now we can run the Gravity application by typing in npm start. And that'll load the website files for a Gravity app. Come back over to our browser and refresh the page. And now we can click on the sign up button and begin creating a user account. To do this, click on the Create Passphrase button. We're going to want to copy and paste this new passphrase, and for now we'll just put it in a text editor and save it for later. Now we'll just type in some basic information. Click on Create My Account. Now copy and paste that passphrase just to confirm it. Click on Complete Registration. And you'll get a notification saying the account was created. It also tells us to please wait a few minutes to ensure the account has been updated on the blockchain. Once again, I'm going to pause the video for a few minutes while we let that load, and then we'll try to sign in. Okay, and now we're ready to go ahead and log into our new user account. So we'll just grab that passphrase from earlier and paste it in here. Hit continue and that'll log you into the dashboard. And on the left-hand side, click on My Garage. And now you'll see the form we just created. Here, users can input the make, model, and vintage status of the car. Once they hit save, the information will be displayed in the table here. So let's go ahead and test out this new app. We'll type in Honda Accord and we'll say no vintage and click save. Okay, and it looks like that's been added to the records now. And just to take it a step further, let's go ahead and test the edit feature. We'll add the vintage status and click save. That's been pushed to the blockchain, and we'll just wait a few minutes to watch that auto refresh on the page. There we go. The information has now been changed from false to true. So that's building your first application with Gravity. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to check out more information, feel free to visit us at sigwo.com or get involved in the community on Discord.